pulling up to the pickup spot. You know, the same place I was the other day in Georgia, Dudley, Georgia. We're back out here picking up on this Monday morning. Because as y'all know, I didn't get a load over the weekend. So I got this load on Friday to pick up Monday because I have a step deck and I couldn't get a good load for the weekend. So I just told them I'm gonna go home and relax and I'll start fresh back Monday. So that's what we're here doing, you know. So I got up early this morning. I could have been here, but traffic was kicking, man. Traffic was kicking. So I'm just making it here at 10:12. So we're gonna grab this load, strap it up, tarp it up, and roll out of here. Bring it to North Carolina, back in a good area to get loads, you know. Well, I'm gonna drop this step deck anyway. I'm going out there to drop this step deck. So I'm going to get me a Charlotte pipe load because the step deck is restricting me from working, man. They playing with me. But yeah, I'm gonna go in here, go check in. Alright guys, checked in. I'm gonna go down here, bust a Huey, and come back right here. And then we gotta go over there and tarp it up. We gotta go over there and tarp it up in the top bay. I hope the rain don't come down. I hope it just stay full. Just stay until I finish strap it up. I gotta strap it up here. Just stay until I finish strap it up. Until I get in the tarp bay, then it could start falling again. But other than that, I don't want the rain to come down. Because, you know. I'm gonna go down here, go bust a Huey. Damn boy, that's all you let me mind my business. I thought these straps supposed to be on the inside. Am I wrong, guys? Or am I right? Y'all tell me.
Across North and Central Georgia.
Like I said, let me mind my business. He probably ain't going that far anyway. Probably just going down the road. Alright, we're gonna bust this Huey around here. The guy was like, you ever been here before? Every time I come, there's always a different guy inside. I was like, yeah. Alright, go around there, bust a Huey, and come back up here. Prime guy's supposed to be coming back right here. But, you know, like, he's taking his sweet time. There he is. Okay. I know why you did that. You gotta bust that turn, so you know when you're a driver you gotta think like other people think, you know. So he gonna bust that sharp right and go right on the side, so it makes sense for him to dip over there. Yeah. Seems like he going down to Maryland. I see on the sign and sheet. You know I'm nosy. I gotta look. What's the Huey right here? So if this lumber is already wet outside, why I gotta tarp it again? Don't get me wrong, I like tarping lumber. Cause I be seeing lumber slide out on people. I don't want that to happen to me on the road. So I don't mind tarping it, but I'm just gonna still question it. Yeah, I'm gonna make that truck come out my way first before I keep going. I'm gonna let him come up my way, then I'll go and drop it off. I'll go park. I don't know what the hell I'm dropping off, an empty trailer. Yeah. What they digging up? What they making, a sewer? They trying to have the water run somewhere? See, I did the same thing. I dipped. That's what you gotta do when you're doing around here. You gotta dip around. Cause see, he positioned right there in the middle. Come on, red truck, get out of here. What up, YouTube? It's Monday morning and we back with another banger. We back at Dudley Monday morning. As I told you on the last video, what happened this weekend. So we back here bright and early Monday morning, trying to grab this load. Bring it to North Carolina to drop it on Tuesday. Now we keep on hammer down. Drop this trailer too and grab a new load. Yeah, because the step deck is a pain in the rear. So it need to go. It need to go. So we're here, man. They about to load me next after they finish loading this prime driver. But it's been raining all morning, y'all. All morning it's been raining. Like, it found to slow down a little bit, but it's still drizzling. And I don't want it to come back down right now. Not until I finish get loaded and tarp up and all this good stuff. After that, it could come back. But for right now, I need to stay up a little bit. Well, just waiting for these guys to come get my paperwork. And then I might show y'all when I'm tarping. I don't know. I'll see when I get over there how we're looking. But we're here. We're back on the road. The marathon continue. Alright, guys. This is the look. We are here. Believe it or not, this is a 3 tarp job. 1, 2, smoke tarp, 3. And so we're looking. And we're rolling out of here today. We out. Yeah, so I'm gonna do some driving. I don't know where I'm gonna stop. I'm just gonna drive. I'll see where my mind take me. But yeah, the rain was coming down. See, rain's coming down, so I couldn't record while I was tarping. I could have, but mad work. So yeah, man, let's get out of here, y'all. We got like a 5-hour drive. Let's start this thing, man. Let's get out of here. Got here at like 11, 10, 12. We're getting out of here at 12, 16. It's not bad. It's not bad. Pretty much 2 hours load, strap, and tarp. You can't beat that. You cannot beat that. 2 hours and got out of here. I figured it would have took like 2 hours though, because last night when I was thinking, I was like, should I get here for like 6 a.m. in the morning, get a load, strap up, get out of here by 8 o'clock. And I could have dropped this off today. If I wanted to. I would have to get here at 6 though, exactly at 6. Load up and leave here by 8. And then shoot on out. and get there before it closed. I think they would have taken me today, but I didn't feel like waking up that early to drive out here. I would have to get up at like probably 4 o'clock, and so I don't like doing that on a Monday morning unless I really have to. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I'm taking it easy. Okay, I was pretty much taking it easy. So good time getting out of here at 12. I'm probably drive for some. I'm parking up early today. I don't care. I'm parking up early. I'm gonna drive some today, and tomorrow morning I drive the rest. I'll go edit some videos and relax, man. It's Monday. You know Monday's that lazy Monday. Money making Monday, but it's a lazy Monday at the same time. And it's raining. You know, it's raining. So, when it's raining, we get lazy. We don't want to do nothing. You know, but it's all good though. We're gonna make it happen. Figure out where I'm gonna park. When I get on the 20, when I get on the 20, I'm gonna figure out where I want to park or where I want to go. Pilot or what? There's a love down there. I don't even remember. But nah, I ain't going to that love down there. That love is that get a love on 20 out there in South Carolina. Nah, I ain't stopping there. I'll stop at. We figure it out. We figure it out, man. Figure it out. We ain't no rush. We got plenty of time. Yeah, man. But on that note, I'm gonna hit y'all back later. I'm driving. Drive through these little towns and then hit the highway. So I'm gonna hit y'all later, man. I'm gonna hit y'all when I park up somewhere. I don't know where. We'll figure it out. And I'm gonna hit y'all. Pull up at this pilot, y'all, and get some days out.
Turn left.
And keep on hitting the road. Hopefully it's not packed over here. Let's go see. See if we get lucky. Well, I'm telling y'all folks like to park up at the gas station like I ain't got nothing to do. I don't like that.
Turn left.
Man, I hope one day I get to carry some big ass tire like these. Wait, I wanna see what that like. I ain't get to do that yet. Oh, that TMC got. Alright, who moving? I'ma go where the tanker at.
Approaching pilot number 4568.
These next two over here, they ain't look like they're moving. Tanker look like he about to move soon. Look at him looking at me. Yeah, he ain't planning to move no time soon. Wait for this one right here. How much limit? Let me see how far I gotta go for my drop now. Let's see how far we at. Come on, man. You buy gas every day. It's the same routine every day. Nothing changed. It's a different pump. We 3 hours and 18. Yeah, 3 hours and 18 minutes away from the drop. I'm probably gonna drive another hour. Yeah, I'm gonna drive another hour. Head to this place down the road on 20 and then parked up there. I'll go chill. And do the next 2. So I'm still sitting here waiting. This guy just went in his truck. I know his tank is not that big. I know it's not taking that long to get to fill up. Like, it seems like he's trying to take a 30 at the pump. I guarantee you, when he left here, he's gonna pull up there and take a whole 15. Just watch. I'm gonna let y'all know. Stay tuned. It's a movie. What you gonna do now? But he acting like he don't know what to do. It look like you're a pro. Look like you've been doing this for a whole lot of years. And you're moving like you don't know what you're doing. Wait, 12 minutes in one spot. See? 12 minutes. Let me see if you're gonna pull up there. Oh my God, that's the first. That's the first somebody pull up and don't stop. That's the first. Shit, I like it. At least I could just pull out of here and go about my goddamn business. Man, let's go get this fuel. Man. I'm not getting too much gas. I'm gonna get like a hundo. I'm gonna get a hundo because I'm only going 3 hours on the road. I'm just getting enough, and I'll get some more tomorrow on my next load. See y'all, been raining all day. This is sleepy weather. This type of weather, it's time to go to bed. So I'm gonna drive an hour down the road and take my ass in the bed, go relax. Type of weather, I ain't trying to do no work. It's Monday, and we good, you know. Take it easy Monday. Yeah, 27 gallons. That's what I got. I'm hoping this take me down there. It should take me down there. It's one straight road. So it should take me all the way down there. 27 gallons. I should need more than that. I ain't spending no more money. He's gonna have to work. You see what I'm talking about, y'all? It don't take you that long to get some fuel. So I don't know why these folks like to just come parked up on the damn gas pump. Hey, come on, man. Look, I'm gonna pull up here and go inside, wash my hand, and see what I can find to eat. That's what I'm gonna do. And then get the hell up out of Dodge. I need some ice. Bring my ice cup. Where's my key at? Okay, got my key, got my phone. Go in there and come back. These niggas don't like to get wet, man. They skid up a little water. It's just water. It's just water, man. Ain't nothing wrong with getting wet. Then again, they don't like to shower either. They always at the damn truck stop, especially at Love, parked up and not getting no shower. Let me leave these folks alone. Let me run in here. I don't want y'all to get wet either. I ain't trying to get sick. But yeah. Y'all see that sign? Say hand washing only. I don't bring y'all little. Y'all don't bring y'all plates up in here and come wash it. I'm just washing out my cup, so I'm just rinsing out my cup, so I ain't washing it. Y'all don't judge me. But then again, I do what I want. Who wanna stop me? Oh, no dirty water up in here. Get some free ice. Free ice, you know. I'm looking for you. That's what I'm looking for. Fanta. Yeah. Yeah. And they don't have no cinnamon bun in this one, huh? Alright. Get some juice. Got food in the truck. Oh.
Information needed.
Had to look at my thing to make sure nobody pull it. Cause you know some of these truck drivers, they ain't got nothing better to do. So I have to make sure nobody pull my thing. Put my card back here. Woo! Alright. Let's hit the road, Jack. You see? Yeah, I ain't gotta come here and take up the whole time here. Just come in, do what you gotta do, and hit the road, man. We got load we gotta drop off. Y'all's just holding up the fuel island like we don't have nowhere to go. We got a place to be. Well, I ain't got nowhere to be today, but I got on a regular morning time, I got a place to be. Y'all don't just hold the shit up. God damn. Okay, PNS, I see you reserved up early. Don't back up, boy. I know y'all don't like looking. Good morning, YouTube. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Yeah, we about to roll out. We about to roll out and go drop this load off. We like 2 hours away, I believe. Yeah, 2 hours. It's like 8 o'clock right now. I'm gonna get there for 10. Drop this load off and on to the next load. You feel me? I parked up at a rest stop yesterday. Rest stop. Walk up here. And it's still raining, y'all. It's still raining. Seems like we get in the storm with Jamaica. Unfortunately. So it's still raining out here. I guess I'm gonna take this tarp off in the rain when I get there. Sucks, but it is what it is. Feel me? But we about to hit the road, get this thing going. I did my pre-trip and everything already, so we just gotta roll. So I'm gonna catch you on the road or when I'm pulling up to the stop. Raining non-stop, y'all.
Then turn right on Airport Road, Route 1436 North.
Get into my 90, pulling up to my 90 right now.
Take exit 190 and then turn right on Airport Road, Route 1436 North.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm not in the working mood today. This rain killing all my vibes.
0.3 miles ahead, turn right on Airport Road, Route
Rain
1436
killing all
North.
my vibes, man. Hopefully this place where I'm going is big. And they got a big yard space, because I gotta fold this tarp up.
Turn right on Airport Road, Route
In the
1436
rain.
North.
In the rain, I gotta fold this tarp up.
.3 miles to ACL.
I don't know why they put that in the middle of the damn thing. They ain't got nothing better to do. Just put some white line, man. You know I'm gonna run over it every time. Sure. The place should be coming up right about somewhere here. Not over here. This is a road, or what is this? Or it's over here. This is where you enter from.
Approaching ACL of Maxton.
This is where you enter from. Nah, I don't see no enter right here. I'm gonna go the next way. Look like some over here. Truck exit only. What the hell? Where you enter? Entrance next right. Okay. You gotta be right here. What we doing? We backing up in this yard. We backing up in the garage. It look like it. East Coast. Look like I gotta back it up in there. Drive my visit there. Let me go down here. I'm trying to find somewhere decent to stop, y'all. Without stopping in the way. Either he got a tarp, or he got to unload, or he getting loaded. I don't know. Just get out their way though. Go find some people, y'all. Alright guys, so I just checked in. I gotta pull in the building. Well, I gotta reverse in that building and untarp. Get on strap in there. So I'm here waiting for this driver to finish tarp his load and pull out. Then I go back. Then hopefully he don't take that long. Yeah, hopefully he don't take that long. I think he won't take long. It's raining. He ain't moving for nothing. So we're just gonna sit right here and just play the waiting game. Hey guys, done load. See, when I tell you I gotta have courtesy for other drivers. See, I was in that building, so I pulled out and finished put away my tools. I could have stayed in there and put my tools away, But I know the feeling of waiting for a load, and you gotta tarp it, and you gotta get out of here because it's raining. I know the feeling. So I pull outside and put away my stuff, so he go back in and start getting loaded and tarp his load. That's what I talk about. Y'all gotta have courtesy for other drivers. Not because you gotta stay in there and put away your tools. You do it and stay in there. Just get out the way, man. Other people is, you know, other people gotta go. You know, so that's what I did. So I'm gonna put away with these two real quick, and then we'll be out of here. So on that note, that's the end of this video. Catch me on the next vlog. Catch me on that next vlog right now. It's starting right now. Go over there. Go over there. Yeah, that's it. Peace.